Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start literature part. In literature, there is a chapter Expert Detective. I'm so happy to see that so many students are there to attend offline classes. How many are there? 36 and total are 44, I think so. 51. So out of 51, 36 are sitting offline. Only how many are left? 15. So 15 students should be online. But out of 15, 8 are sleeping and 7 are online. Isn't it? Am I good at maths? Okay. So today we are going to read a very good chapter, Expert Detective. This expert detective is of near about your age. And what adjective is given to that detective? He is very much expert. See, when something strange happens in front of us, you become inquisitive to know. You are so eager to know, or you say, no, it's okay, let's go. Tell me. You are eager to know or not? So same like that, there is a boy, Nishad. What are the main characters? I just tell you of this chapter. First main character is Nishad. He is a boy and his age is 7. Okay. So Nishad is a boy of 7 years. Okay. And there is another character, that is Maya. Her age is 10 years. Okay. So they both are brother and sister. But in their neighbor, there is one character that lives, and the name of the character is Mr. Nath. Mr. Nath is found so different kind of person. He always you can say lives alone, and he has a scar on his face. He doesn't mix up with other person. So that's why Nishad and Maya, they both are so inquisitive. They both are so eager to know about Mr. Nath. Okay. So here again and again, I am using a word inquisitive. Inquisitive means eager to know. So I want that my class should also use good vocabulary words. Okay. They should learn daily 2-3 words daily. It's better that if you have a pocket diary, whatever new word you come across by reading newspaper, by reading any book, by reading any magazine, or you come across from any channel, or you come across from any of the teacher, then you should write down along with its meaning, and you try to learn that word meaning and try to use it somewhere. Then it will be useful. So today I have used inquisitive words so many times. Were you able to understand what was that meaning? Eager to know. Okay. So let's read this chapter about Nishad, a boy of 7 years, and Maya, a girl of 10 years. They are so eager to know about one of the character, that is Mr. Nath. Okay. And how they come to know about that character. That person is genuine, or that person is a great cheater. Okay. And why there is a very bad scar on the face of Mr. Nath. Okay. Why Mr. Nath lives alone. Why he has no so many friends. Okay. So these are all secrets that they are going to about discover. They are going to find out why that Mr. Nath lives alone. Okay. Lives alone. And Nishad mother, she is a doctor. That is another character of this chapter. That is Nishad's mother. And who is she? She is a doctor. No, Mr. Nath is only considered just like a patient. He is a patient. His profession is not mentioned yet. Okay. So let's read about this chapter. Let's start reading. Expert detective. Okay. Your name is Drishti. Okay, you read first page.
As he walked back towards the place, Seven said, he doesn't look anything like a monster, Maya. But did you see how thin he is? Maybe he is very poor and can't afford to eat. He can't be poor if he is a crook on that earth. I told him he has probably got millions of rupees stashed away somewhere in that room. Do you really think he's a criminal, Maya? He doesn't look like one. Nishad looked doubtful. Of course, he is one. Seven. I said, and he suddenly in the starroom. Mr. Mehta told us that the fish sent his meals up from the restaurant downstairs.
Its pronunciation is restaurant. Speak after me 5 times. It is a very common word we use so many times. It is restaurant. Don't speak restaurant. It is not rent. It is restaurant. Okay. Whenever you go with your family to restaurant, so you speak, let's go to restaurant. Because the way you speak this word, your schooling will come in front of that person who will be listening. So you want to improve your English or not? This is a very simple word that we speak. You all of you speak that word. So what is the correct pronunciation? Restaurant. Speak 10 times. So next time when you will be speaking that word, keep me in your mind that I have taught you that word. It is restaurant. Clear? So here both brother and sister, Nishad and Maya, they both are talking to each other. Okay. So they were moving towards the clinic. Okay. So Seven said, who is Seven? Nishad. So Nishad spoke that dialogue. He doesn't look anything like a monster. Who is he? Mister? To whom they are talking about? They are talking about Mr. Nath. That Mr. Nath is just like a monster. You know about the monster now? That is a big creature. Okay. But did you see how thin he is? Maybe he is very poor and can't afford to eat. But they were talking that on one side they were saying that he looks like a monster. On other side they were saying no, he is so thin, I think so, that he is not able to afford food. Okay. He can't be poor if he's a crook on the run. Crook on the run, it means if he is a very, you can say, criminal type of person. He is very much a good cheater, very big cheater. So he cannot be poor, because if he is a criminal, he should have a money, but he is very much poor. So what kind of conversation was going among between them? They thought that maybe that person is having so much money, and that money is stashed away. What is the meaning of stashed away? Yes, that money is, I think, hidden away somewhere in that room. That money is hidden somewhere in the room. So another character says, yes, it can be. So, but he certainly is not starving. Starving means dying of hunger. So write down the meaning of starving. Starving means dying of hunger. So he may be dying of hunger. So Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh brings up his meals up from the restaurant downstairs. So there is another character, that is Ramesh. Okay, so he is bringing food for him from restaurant. Okay, so such kind of conversation was going. You can see in the picture that boy is Nishad, a 7-year boy, and to whom they are talking about? They are talking about their neighbor Nishad, because they are very much eager to know that which kind of person he is. He is rich, he is poor, he has hidden so much money, or he is a criminal, or he is a cheated person, a great cheater, or he is having some problem. What kind of personality he is? So that is the curiosity they are having in their mind, and they want to solve that curiosity. Clear? Now read next conversation. Scars. Firmly. But when conversation was going between brother and sister, so Mr. Mehta, he told, they came to know that they have come to know about this fact that Mr. Mehta has told them that Mr. Nath, he doesn't work anywhere. It means he is not having any profession. He is not having any employment. So how he can have money to pay for food if he is not working somewhere? He is not having money. So how can he give money for food? So they thought that he has hidden silver, gold, and jewels, etc. And he has taken that money by selling that jewels, etc. So Nishad interrupted means, yes, to talk in between. He said, what rubbish. I know I am very much right. You are stupid. Why so? Because do you know that he has scars on his face, and these scars are very much deep? Okay, because he said that I couldn't, it was too dark. So his sister says, I couldn't see the scars on his face because there was so much darkness in his room. Okay, so after that he said, that boy, जिसका नाम ही भूल जाता है, Nishad, he says that I am very much sure. I bet means I am very much sure that how did he get those scars? He got those scars during a shootout with the police or something. It means when there was an encounter or there was a shootout with police, during that fight, I think that Mr. Nath has got scars on his face. But after that, they interrupted that their mother was doctor. So she has inspected his scars. So mother told that they were not that such kind of scars which have got with knife or with, you can say, in fight or any encounter. Okay, these were burn scars. He got scars on his face because of burns. Okay. After that, they made a guess. Might be that The police had set his house on fire, and because of that fire, he has got a scar on his face. But Seven looked unsure. Seven, who is Seven? Nishad, he was unsure, he was uncertain, he was not sure that he has got this scar because of this. Clear? Am I clear to you? Okay, now you read, Arshia.
Perhaps the police might take him out of fire he goes out. I suggested Seven looked unsure. On the Monday following Mama's birthday, Seven went along with her in the clinic to Diabong. As I was spending the evening with a school friend. When they returned, Nishad told me he went to see Mr. Nath and I felt most annoyed that I hadn't been there. Seven had quite upset about Mr. Nath's blonde appearance and was sure that he was sour. He told me that he knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door that evening and said, "Open the door, Mr. Nath." Mr. Nath opened it and asked him, "Lost another marble?" He had obviously recognized my brother. "No," said Nisha. He had taken the man's hand in his coat and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. "Did you get a chance to eat some Seven?" I asked. Nisha looked disappointed. He didn't even ask me in. He said, then he smiled, "But I did find out something, Maya. I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh was and talked to him." "Good for you, Mr. Detective," I said, patting him on the back. "I hope you questioned him properly." Seven looked pleased. Ramesh told me that he takes 2 meals for Mr. Nath every morning and evening and 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon.
So there was a Monday, and there was after following Mama's birthday. So Nishad went alone with her to the clinic at Girgaon, okay? And there he was spending the evening with a school friend. When they were returning, Nishad told me he had been to see Mr. Nath, and I felt most annoyed that I hadn't been there. So who was annoyed? Maya, because Nishad had gone to see Mr. Nath alone. He hasn't taken Maya along with him. So Nishad, he became quite upset. Why so? Because to see his gaunt appearance. What is the meaning of gaunt? Sick appearance. Because Mr. Nath, he was not looking like an ordinary human being. He was looking so sick. And from that appearance, he became sure that that person was starving. Starving means that person was dying of hunger. Okay. So he told me that he knocked very loudly on Mr. Nath's door, and he said, Mr. Nath, to open the door. Okay. So man opened it and he asked him, lost another marble? So what was the question asked by Mr. Nath? That why are you knocking? You have lost another marble. It means if somebody was coming on the door, so why were they coming? Because suppose some children were playing and their marble was lost. Marble is a just like a game, just like small pebbles. Okay. So he thought that their one of the marble is lost. That's why they were knocking at their door. So he had obviously recognized my brother. So who was that? Nishad's brother. So Nishad said no. He had taken the man's hand in his own and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. So what was provided to that person? A bar of chocolate. So after that, he again became eager. So when you went inside, did you get a chance to peek into the trunk? Trunk means one kind of big suitcase. So he said, when you were going in his room, did you get a chance to see through his trunk that what he was hiding in his suitcase? So Nishad, he was looking so disappointed. So he said, no, he did not even ask me in, that he was not given offer to come inside. Okay. So he smiled, but I did find out something, Maya. So Nishad became so curious, and he said, yes, he got a chance. He has found something. Okay. So he went down in a restaurant where Ramesh was working, because he wanted to inquire about Mr. Nath from Ramesh, so that he could gather some of the evidence, some of the facts about Mr. Nath. Okay. So Maya said, okay, that's really good. So what kind of adjective was given to him? Mr. Detective. That now you are going to inquire about that person from Ramesh, who brings food for him. Okay. So you have become now a great detective. So he was just patting him on the back. Patting him on the back means like that. It means appreciating. If we pat someone, it means we are appreciating someone. Okay. So I hope you question him properly. Okay. So Salman was looking so happy. Ramesh told him that he takes 2 times food every morning and every evening. He takes 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Okay. So Ramesh says he is not particular about whatever he eats. Okay. He always eats some same kind of food like chapatis, dal and vegetables. Okay. Mr. Nath also pays cash and tips whenever food is given to Mr. Nath. So he always gives, he pays for that. Sometimes he gives tips also. So he gathered such kind of knowledge from where? From Ramesh. About whom? About Mr. Nath. And who is collecting that information? Nishad, a 7-year-old boy, because he is very much eager to know about Mr. Nath, that why Mr. Nath comes out, why doesn't he mix with other persons, why he lives alone, why there is a scar, big scar on his face, which kind of person he is, has he hidden something in his big trunk, he is a thief or he is a criminal. So such kind of information he wanted to collect. Clear? Now you read.
Says he's not very particular about what he eats. It's always the same food, two chapatis, some dal, and a vegetable. Mr. Nath pays cash and tips well. Ramesh told he gave me something very strange. Maya 7 said at it almost every Sunday. He carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room, and the same thing is with him each time. He's tall, thinner, short, and wears spectacles. The mayor says he's a lot unlike Mr. Nath, who hardly sleeps. When he showered, I told him now that we have made some progress with our inquiries, we will have to sort out all the facts like expect detecting so that we can crack the case. How you do go on, Maya? 7
Side.
side. How can you possibly imagine we look so ordinary? Criminals can look out ordinary, naughty, and I did so by writing flashes of lightning and rolling of thunder with all their funny. The street was a happy downpour. School was too heavy. We opened after the sun holidays, but no traffic cloud moved through the study road and there was an
Unexpected. Sit down. Now from this passage page, what we have come to know that about his daily routine food, such kind of information was gathered, that which kind of food does he eat, simple chapati, some dal and vegetables, okay, and he pays cash also, he gives tips also, okay, you know about tips na? Okay, so but after that he also came to know something about Mr. Nath, okay, that every Sunday he carries 2 lunch boxes to Mr. Nath room, and on every Sunday there is a same man with him, and that same man is tall, fair, stout you can say, very much strong, and that person wears spectacles, okay, and that person who visits him every Sunday, that person is very much talkative, but on the other hand, Mr. Nath, he doesn't speak too much. Okay, so such kind of information was gathered that on every Sunday, same man comes. Okay. Now he says, okay, we have made some progress with our inquiries. Okay, we have sought out some of the facts like expert detectives. So now we can trap the crook. Crook means criminal, that wicked person. So we are going to find out that wicked person. So Maya says, okay, how will you come to know that he is not a right person? Okay. So how can you possibly imagine he is a crook? So Maya says, how can you say that he is a cheater? He is a criminal. How can you say that? Because he looks so ordinary. Okay. So Nishad says that criminals can look ordinary, but they work so smartly. They look so ordinary, but they work so smartly. So he says that, did you see the picture of Hyderabadi housebreaker? Hyderabadi housebreaker, there was one of the person who steals, who is a thief, okay, and his picture was published in newspaper yesterday, okay. So Nishad was saying, have you seen his pic in the newspaper? That person, he was looking so ordinary, but he was looking like an ordinary man in the street, but he was looking so doubtful. So next day there were monsoons. It means rainy season was there. Dark clouds were there. And lightning, roaring of thunder, such kind of scene was there. There was a complete flood in the street, heavy downpour, you can say, lot of water was running, and that's why schools were closed. Okay, now schools were to be closed and schools were to be reopened after summer holidays. So that's why there was no heavy traffic. Why so? Because there was a flooded roads. Because of flooded roads, there was no traffic and there was an unexpected holiday. Students were not expecting any holiday, but now there was unexpected holiday. So Nishad was thinking that he is going to spend the time usefully. So he was sitting on his desk in the bedroom. He was having a sheet of paper before him. Now there are 3 questions given. What did Nishad give Mr. Nath? Why? What is strange about Mr. Nath Sundays? Why did Nishad and Maya get a holiday? All of you start finding these answers. on your own. Find out these answers, then we will be discussing these question answers. Hurry up. I'm giving you time to find out these answers. What did Nishad give Mr. Nath? Why? Yes, what is the answer? Why? This boy doesn't participate. Where are you? Lost somewhere? Find out this answer. Yes. Be ready with your next answer. What is strange about Mr. Nath Sundays? Rivia, you tell me. Okay, it is your homework. You find out these 3 answers on your own. We will be discussing these answers in detail tomorrow. Okay.